Om Swastiastu. Hello and Namaste. My name is Mayank Singh. I am the Chief Digital Officer and Vice President, Marketing, Digital Business and IT for Domino's Pizza Indonesia, which is a 220 store market all across Indonesia. Being into a food industry, especially QSR, where it's impulse buying category, I think the conversion rate is the most important factor as soon as the traffic lands onto your app. And that's where we were looking for a solution, and Netcore nudges came as a solution. So before this, I didn't knew even a small change in the whole journey can make a larger impact onto the overall conversion. And that's where the nudges was doing it for us. Made it the whole lot of good for the Domino's in improving the overall conversion for the Domino's Pizza app. I think the most exciting part about this whole journey of working with Netcore was the enthusiasm which team demonstrated and the confidence that they showed in their product. And that's where the product was sold to us.